I'm still in love with you, without you. Take it back, all the words you said.